Hello and welcome to my brand new video. In this video I am going to a beautiful place that is also a historical place. That is the Jomidar house. I'm in Landlord's house. They were living there at least 100 years ago, but now they are not living there. I'm going through this beautiful road. This road has a lot of twist and turn, and here you can see a lot of vehicles, but it is very quiet and no people, no animal, everything clean. Behind me you can see a beautiful river, and I feel like it is a new road. Right side you can see this. I didn't see this when I came here before, and it's a river, and you can see some boats here, and water color is totally black. It is pretty bad thing, and I can get bad smell from here. So I feel like I should leave this place. Oh, what is the name of this bird? This bird's Bangla name is Gangchil. I don't know if you can see this because of my camera's wide angle. A lot of Gangchils are flying here because they eat fish from this river. Now I have to go fast to the landlord's house because the sky is totally cloudy. It may rain anytime. A lot of twist and turn on the road. Boys are going with their girlfriend maybe on the bike. What is this? I feel like an insect hit my forehead. Okay, no problem. Right now I have come inside the landlord's house. It is the area of landlord's house, and it is a temple. I feel like this temple's age more than 100 years. And I will go inside this temple now. Okay. First I should lock the bike, then I will go inside the temple. This is the temple, and its structure is not bad. Over there you can see another temple here. Temple's condition is pretty bad. Because it is over 100 years. I heard this from this area's people. It's iconic. Now I'll go to the main part. Over there you can see a building. Mainly it is a landlord's house. And you can see a pond here, and this is the pond. This is the pond, and I feel like people farm fish in this pond. I'll go near the pond now. Okay. This is the pond. And what is the name of this tree? I can't understand the English meaning of this tree. This tree's Bangla name is Khejur Gach, Khejur tree. And I feel like people farm fish here. This pond size is very big. It is a massive size pond. And now I'll go inside the college. Now it is a college. Before 100 years, it was a house. But now it is a college. Oh, the gate is locked. What is this? I can't go inside there. It is a bad thing. Now I'll check it is locked or not. Yeah, it's locked. Okay, I want to go there. But it is a beautiful building, beautiful structure. Over there of this college, there is a pond. I'll try to go there. I feel like there is another road to go there. I will try to go there through this road. If I will go there, yes. I can go there. It's a beautiful place. Oh, a few days ago I came here with some friends. This soil is wet because of the rain, I feel like. And my friend climbed that tree. Okay, there is another pond, but this pond condition is pretty bad. It is another pond of this Jomidar house, and over there you can see some structure. You can see this properly because of my camera's wide angle. And this is the situation right now. Few months ago when I came here, I saw some snakes here because people don't come here. Now I will go outside of this area.